Designed between 1875 and 1878, this large ovoid vase is a technical achievement for its size and decoration. In earthenware, the polychrome decoration is created using a barbotine process perfected by Ernest Chaplet at the Faïencerie Laurin in Bourg-la-Reine in 1871. The slip painting technique was favored for impressionist ceramics, particularly by Auguste Lepère. This painter, a close friend of Félix Bracquemond, was responsible for the landscape decoration on our vase. It depicts a Normandy seascape between Dieppe and Etretat, with its characteristic cliffs. The decor unfolds like a panoramic canvas, magnifying the beauty of the sky and illustrating the activities of the fishermen. The vibrant, free brush strokes evoke the style of Eugène Boudin. The body of our vase is embellished with two lions' heads modeled in relief. It rests on a carved and stained walnut base simulating a swamp populated by frogs. We know of another similar vase that formerly belonged to the Galerie Vauclair.